Learn English talking about the weather.
Hey, Jamie, how's it going?
Hi, Alex. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Doing well. Can you believe this weather today? It's so sunny and warm.
I know, right? It's such a nice change from all the rain we had last week.
Definitely. I've been waiting for a day like this to go for a walk in the park.
Same here. It's perfect for just about any outdoor activity. Have you noticed how blue the sky is?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Not a cloud in sight. Have you been able to spend much time outside?
A bit. I went for a bike ride earlier and it was so refreshing. The breeze was just perfect.
That sounds awesome. I was thinking of having a picnic later. Want to join?
Sure, that sounds like a great idea. We can enjoy the nice weather and some good food.
Exactly. Let's make the most of this beautiful day.
Absolutely. Days like this are the best.
Well, Jamie, it was great catching up with you. I've got to head out now.
Yeah, it was nice talking to you too, Alex.
Let's do this again soon. Have a great day.
Bye, Alex.
Bye, Jamie. Take care.